alligator's sharp teeth can give quite a scare. A is the sound that it makes without a care. Big brown bear loves to roam and play. B is the sound that it makes all day. Curious cat with its soft furry paws. K is the sound that it makes, it's quite the cause. Dogs wag their tails and bark with glee. D is the sound that it makes so easily. Elephant with its long trunk and big ears. E is the sound that it makes, its music to our ears. Flamingo's pink feathers and slender neck. F is the sound that it makes without a peck. Giraffe towers over the savannah with grace. G is the sound that it makes with a smile on its face. Hippo loves to soak in the river and play. H is the sound that it makes throughout the day. Iguana with its scales and spiky tail. I is the sound that it makes without fail. Jaguar with its spots and stealthy pace. J is the sound that it makes when it's on the chase. Kangaroo jumps and bounds with ease. K is the sound that it makes, oh yes, please. Lion's roar can be heard from miles away. L is the sound that it makes, what can we say? Monkey swings from tree to tree with fun. M is the sound that it makes till the day is done. Narwhal with its long tusk under the sea. N is the sound that it makes, oh what glee. Owl sits on the tree with its big round eyes. O is the sound that it makes to our surprise. Penguin waddles on ice, a funny bird. P is the sound that it makes, haven't you heard? Quail with its speckled feathers and tiny size. Qu is the sound that it makes, how wise. Rhino's horn is its defining feature. R is the sound that it makes, a mighty creature. Snake slithers and hisses, a sight to behold. S is the sound that it makes, so bold. Turtle with its hard shell and slow pace. T is the sound that it makes, it's a race. Up flies the unicorn with its magical horn. A is the sound that it makes from night until morn. Vulture soaring high up in the sky. V is the sound that it makes flying by. Whale with its song and massive size. W is the sound that it makes, quite the surprise. X-ray fish with its translucent skin. X is the sound that it makes, it's so thin. Yak with its shaggy coat in the snow. Y is the sound that it makes, don't you know? Zebra with its black and white stripes. Z is the sound that it makes, it's just right.